Germany. A country known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and technological advancements. It's known for beer, sausages, and really great cars. If Germany is famous for its cars, its dominance is heavily challenged by newcomers from the USA and China. Let's come back to the beginning first. There was a time when the streets of Germany were filled with horse-drawn carriages and bicycles. Before the sound of engines, there was Carl Benz, a very important name in car history. He was a visionary who saw the potential of a motorized vehicle. In 1886, this smart German put an engine on a three-wheeled thing. It was a groundbreaking invention that would pave the way for the future of transportation. He called it the Motorwagen. This was the first step towards the modern automobile. It wasn't very good, but it was a start. The Motorwagen had its flaws, but it was a revolutionary concept. Benz's invention wasn't just about going places. It was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It was about doing something new and amazing. It was about innovation and creativity. It was about German cleverness. The ingenuity and determination of German inventors were unmatched. He didn't know it then, but he was starting something huge that would change the world. The Motorwagen was just the beginning. Other inventors, like Gottlieb Daimler, came along, each adding their own ideas to the car. They brought their own innovations and improvements. These early days were full of messy engines and new parts. It was a time of experimentation and discovery. Car companies started appearing everywhere. The automotive industry was beginning to take shape. Names like Daimler, Benz, and Maybach became famous for new ideas. They were pioneers in the field of automotive engineering. They were all competing to be the best. The race to create the perfect car was on. But in 1926, something interesting happened. A significant event that would change the course of automotive history. Daimler and Benz, who were rivals, decided to work together. They saw the potential in collaboration. They joined their companies, creating a giant company we now know as Mercedes-Benz. This merger marked the beginning of a new era in the automotive world. Mercedes-Benz. The name alone evokes images of elegance, sophistication, and unparalleled engineering. The name alone makes you think of fancy things. It's a brand synonymous with luxury and prestige. From the beginning, they were all about luxury and speed. Their cars were designed to be both beautiful and powerful. They built cars for rich and important people who wanted the very best. Owning a Mercedes-Benz was a status symbol, and they definitely gave it to them. The interiors were crafted with the finest materials, offering unmatched comfort and style. Their cars weren't just for transportation, they were a sign that you were important. A statement of success and achievement. But Mercedes-Benz wasn't just about looking good. They were pioneers in automotive safety. They were also leaders in safety. The crumple zone, the airbag, and many other innovations. The anti-lock braking system. All these were Mercedes' ideas. They set the standard for the industry. All these were Mercedes' ideas. Their commitment to safety has saved countless lives. They knew that speed didn't mean anything if you couldn't control the car. Precision and control were paramount. And that idea, that dedication to being the best, made them a powerful company around the world. Their legacy continues to inspire and innovate. While Mercedes was busy making luxurious cars, another big German company was starting. Bayerische Motorenwerke, BMW. They didn't start with cars, but with engines, airplane engines to be exact. After World War I, they started making motorcycles, and then, finally, cars. BMW was different. They didn't just want luxury. They wanted their cars to be exciting to drive. They built cars that were easy to handle, quick to respond, and, you could say, a bit sporty. They were for drivers who loved driving, not just using a car to get around. Now, let's talk about Volkswagen, the people's car. It started in the 1930s under a not-so-nice man named Adolf Hitler. His idea was simple: a car for everyone. Affordable, reliable, and German. That's how the Beetle was born. The Beetle was a brilliant idea. It was small, cute, and totally charming. It became famous worldwide, a symbol of peace and love after World War II. Volkswagen didn't stop there. They made a whole bunch of cars from the Golf to the Passat, all showing off German engineering. And then we have Audi, a brand synonymous with luxury and innovation, and Porsche. Two brands that make you think of speed, precision, and engineering excellence. Audi, with its Quattro four-wheel drive system, changed the world of rally car racing. This innovation allowed for better control and stability, making it a game-changer in the motorsport world. They showed that a car could be powerful, agile, and reliable, all at the same time. Porsche, on the other hand, was all about pure speed and driving pleasure. The 911, with its rear-engine layout, offered a unique driving experience. The 911, with its famous shape and distinctive design and loud engine, became a legend on racetracks and a symbol of automotive excellence. These German companies, each with its own special skills, became the most important car makers in the world. Their commitment to quality and performance set them apart. They survived tough economic times, new technologies, and changing consumer preferences, and even scandals. But through it all, they never forgot what was important: building really great cars that inspire and excite. But now, things are changing. Electric cars are here. Are German car companies leading the way this time? They're spending lots of money on electric vehicles, batteries, and self-driving technology. But this change is hard, harder than ever. People are losing jobs, factories are being shut down. But Germans are practical people and they know they have to change. The future is electric. Will German car companies still be the best in this new world? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, they won't give up easily. They'll come up with new ideas, they'll adapt, and they'll keep making cars that people all over the world want to drive. Because that's what Germans do.